This is Bicol University.
Bicol University was known as the premier state university in the Bicol region, founded on June 21, 1969 through the passage of RA 5521.
But what makes Bicol University beautiful? Let me show you this first.
Bicol University is a prestigious institution renowned as one of the top performing schools in the country that is committed to nurture the scholars ng bayan. Guided by its core principles of scholarship, leadership, character, and service, BU is an institution constantly striving to produce quality students for the community.
Carrying out its vision to be a university for humanity, characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies, and its mission to provide professional and technical training and provide advanced and specialized instruction in literature, philosophy, science, and arts, besides providing for the promotion of scientific and technological researches. Bicol University is committed to producing graduates who are equipped with the skills and values necessary to meet the challenges of a rapidly changing world. This university is spread throughout the region, having 6 satellite campuses which are located here in Daraga, Pulangi, Gubat, Ginobatan, Tabaco, and lastly the main campus here in Legazpi City, which is the home of na Kolehiyo ng Arte at Letra. Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, also known as Bicol, was established on September 10, 2004. Its creation was an important part of the university's development plan, aiming to produce graduates with strong creative and critical thinking skills. Since then, Bicol has grown and made valuable contributions to the intellectual and cultural development of the Bicol region.
BA Communication, we express ourselves through writing, speaking, and even making videos. We develop our practical skills through the creation of visual content using layout and imagery to communicate ideas.
We create videos through camera work, direction, and editing to narrate stories. We hone our skills in creative writing with clear and concise news reports based on facts and research. We also practice presenting content on radio, television, or the internet to the public. It is also our training ground in news reporting for television and radio, including how to conduct interviews and present information in an engaging and objective manner. We also learn photography by exploring how to take clear and well-composed images.
Here in communication, we turn passion into profession. Our goal is to become an effective communicator who can lead, educate, and inspire through media and technology. Whether in the editing station or behind the camera, Bicol University continuously enhances the skills of the students for the dynamic world of communication.
Bicol University continues to inspire and mold tomorrow's leaders. Here, we don't just learn, we grow, we innovate, and we make a difference. So whether you're a future scholar or a passionate creator, Bicol University is where you belong. Matatalino, matatapang, talentado at magagaling, tayo ay tatak BUNyo.